Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about NedBank Gold Credit Card, how you can get this NedBank Gold Credit Card and make your life more easy and better. So without further ado, let's get started and watch my full video. A new NedBank Gold Credit Card, the best virtual credit card on the market with the benefit you need. Complimentary card delivery, zero fees and zero fees on card sweeps, 5% minimum monthly repayment, complimentary transaction SMS apply online. Why choose the NedBank Gold credit card? You get up to 50 days zero interest credit, and second benefit is you enjoy a flexible repayment option. Number 3 benefit is your card is cheap and pin enable for added security. Number 4 benefit is you can earn greenbacks on all eligible spend if you join our greenback programs. Make payment and manage your account in any time. Use the money app to bank on the go. Skip branch quest and using money app to manage your account, make payment, download statement and more. It's easy, secure and use no data, no app or data. Use cell phone banking. Dial star 120 star 001 hash to buy prepaid and check your balance. Send money to any cell phone in SA, South Africa and more. Cell phone banking is quick, easy and safe. Make quick easy payment with your device. Pay with your Apple, Samsung, Garmin or Fitbit device. Simply add your credit card details to pay feature and make easy, secure and contactless payment. Control your credit card on the money app. Manage your card setting. Report your card lost or stole. Check your credit score, activities or deactive online shopping and more. Anytime, anywhere, and make a purchase, make a move. And learn more about the credit card, get more out of the Amex credit card. Not all credit cards are created equal. Few others compare with Amex. What is Amex? You may ask, what is Amex? Enjoy NedBank card discount at NU Metro movies. See the large NU Metro movies and get a discount with your NedBank card. For credit card hacks, every travel enthusiast, tips on how to choose a credit card to get more perks and by steps by more, and make this downloadable for everyone. Without further ado, just watch my full video. Thank you so